during conversations with our agriculture agency, so there are really a lot of factors contributing to its decline. The prices of inputs. Well, one factor is the decline in farmers, meaning their kids would not opt to work their farmlands anymore. They would rather go to universities or look for other jobs than engage in farming, which is backbreaking work. So these are factors that really contributes to the decline, and all of government should work on from education to make farming really a lucrative industry or worth engaging with the younger generations. So these are all factors that contribute to such a decline.
To attend also to your questions regarding the blackout, if there's blackout, it does not simply mean that it's negative to the economy. As we have noticed, there are big manufacturing firms, they have generator, then still they could produce products for the operations. And as we have noted, I experienced that one because I was in Punta Vida last time. So negative to the households maybe because mainit, di ba? But many who can afford would go to the hotels for accommodation because there is a generator and then. So there's a positive impact also to accommodations and as well as goods generative. Because of blackout and runout, people tend to go to SM, to other malls, and of course, the generation will become there. So they will eat, they will buy, or they will do the shopping, or even just a standby. So it doesn't really mean that if there's a blackout, a long blackout, it's really the huge impact. Siguro, we are not used na in our part na sa common tao, we have no generators, then, so para sa atin, parang may hirap talaga mag-blackout. But then, during that challenge in 2024, we have the partially computed for the losses. Because of the PPA, we could compute how many losses income for a certain period of time because of the total GBA or the total production of goods and services divided by 365 for the whole year minus the number of days blackout, so we could compute for that. And then, and we have seen it that hindi naman talaga malaki in terms of yun ang may impact talaga sa households because we're electricity, especially we are independent on electricity for our cooking, for our water, but then to other services, there's also